All right, guys, how you doing? So we're getting ready to test out the lifetime service agreement for the RIDGID trim router here. Bought this new about 3 years ago, roughly. It's been doing good. And the other day, just show you that I've got a full charged battery. Put a battery on it, and what I did is I was using this and I just shut it off. I set it down, did a little bit, picked it back up maybe 5 minutes later, went to turn it on, and nothing. The LED does come on, as you can see there. Wait a minute, that's not the speed. I played around with the speed, turned it on, back off, nothing. So I don't know. As you know, if you buy a RIDGID tool that has the lifetime service agreement and you register the tool within, I believe it's 90 days, then you have a service agreement for the rest of the life of the tool. So I've already actually had one of the batteries replaced. I've got a bunch of this RIDGID cordless tools, and I had a battery that went bad to where whenever I'd push the button here to test it, it would either flash one digit or all four. And whenever I filled that service agreement out, it was an automatic deal. I didn't even have to send the old battery into them. They shipped me a new battery. I got the new battery, I don't know, I think it was like a week or so. But anyway, I want to show you the procedure for doing the lifetime service agreement. We're going to send this off, and we're going to see how long it takes for me to either get this one back or get a new one. The one thing I do want to do, I don't know if, no, that's not the serial number. I just wanted to get the serial number of this because I want to check to see if I get this same one back that's just been repaired, or if they send me a different one. I don't know where the serial number's at on it. Yeah, we're just going to go with this NC2203. And maybe I'll put a little dot on it. Put just a little mark right there. How's that? Scribed a little line right there. So anyway, things virtually new. We're going to see how long it takes to get a new one. Let's head into the house and let me show you the procedure for registering or applying for a claim. Okay guys, so we're here on the RIDGID LSA website, and I typically just do a Google search to figure out where it's at, and I click on it. You can look at all your registered tools here. You can see the date when they were purchased, serial numbers and all that. And all you do to file a claim is find the tool. Let's go to the second page here. I think it's this one. Yeah. So this was a kit that came with a brushless jigsaw and trim router. So to file a claim, you just click right here, file a claim. It opens up. You just walk through the information that literally, I've already filed a claim for this, so I'm not going to go through the full procedure, but it literally takes, it took me less than 5 minutes, start to finish. And now, let's see, check repair status. Yeah, so this right here, this is the current repair status, view claim status, claim submitted it yesterday. Today is the 15th, and I've already got the shipping label printed. It gave me the shipping label, so I don't even have to pay for shipping. I'm not going to have to drop it off anywhere. I'm going to ship it to them, and they say that within 14 days I should get it back. And that's what we're going to check, is to see, first of all, if they're going to either fix it or replace it, which I'm sure they will, and how long it's going to take for me to get it back. So this was started on the 14th. Today's the 15th. It will probably be tomorrow before I actually get it dropped off at the FedEx center, which for me is a Walgreens. So I'm just going to drop it off at my local Walgreens, and FedEx will come and pick it up, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I've got it all boxed up. All I did is print out the shipping label, stuck it to the box, and gonna go drop it off. All right, guys, here at Walgreens, got the package. I'm gonna go drop it off, head back home. All right, guys, so guess what we got today? We got the trim router. Let's see, what else is it? Yes, that's it. So, the trim router came back, and it looks like it is a different one. If you remember, mine did not say optimized for octane batteries, and I put just a little tiny scratch right here, just because I wanted to see if I was going to get the same one back that they repaired or a different one. I mean, since this one here says optimized for octane batteries, hopefully it's the updated version. But let's see if it works. Does appear to work. So what do I think of the LSA program, I guess? I like it. This is the second thing that I've had replaced. I had a battery replaced. I didn't even have to send the original battery in. I just got online and the battery was flashing a certain sequence of lights. Can't remember exactly what it was. I think it was the first light flashed 4 times or something. Anyway, when I went down through the questionnaire that I was filling out, it asked about that, and when I told them that it was flashing, it was a done deal. They sent me another one. I had it in less than a week. It showed up at my door. I was kind of shocked. This has taken 10 days from the day that I sent it to the day that I just got it back, which is today. I sent it on the 14th, got it back today, which is the 24th. The only thing that it came with as far as documentation is a little deal that says, "Thank you for your RIDGID loyalty, David." So they did replace this, which I'm perfectly fine with. Now, it does say that even though you've got a replacement, you've got 90 days to register the new one. So I'm going to go do that. But for those of you that care, let me go in here and show you the emails that I got with the updates for this. Okay, guys, here's the emails that I got in the timeline from when I filed the claim to when I got this back. So you can see down here, the lower right, created on 10/14. And this is confirmation that I filed the claim. And you can see up here in the upper right, 10/14 for the date of the email. We'll go to the next one. And up in the upper right, 10/21, I got confirmation that they had received the router. The next one, the repair of your product has been started. That was, this email was on the 22nd. The next one, the repair of your product has been completed. Expect updates for return shipment soon. That was on the 22nd. And then on the 22nd also, the repair of your product has been shipped for return to you, along with the tracking number. So, yeah, you can't complain about that service. In 10 days, I got my router back, and I'm good to go. So hopefully this is an updated version of the router so it doesn't burn out again. But anyway, I've got 90 days to register this one, so I'm getting ready to register that. Let me show you on the LSA website right here where it says repair status. Your claim has been successfully processed and is currently being shipped back to you. So I just received this about 20 minutes ago, so they haven't had time to update their server here. And to register the new one, right here where it says replacement registration. So I'm going to go down through here and I'm just going to register this new one and be good to go. Anyway, the LSA works. This is the second item I've had to get warrantied out. The first thing was a battery, and now this trim router. So hopefully I have good luck with all the other RIDGID products that I have, but as long as they're standing behind their products this way, I can't really complain about that. Anyway, you guys take care. We'll see you.